Hello everyone. Today we have numerical problem on utilization, and our numerical problem is an electric train accelerates uniformity from rest to a speed of 48 km per hour in 24 seconds. If then cost for 69 seconds against a constant resistance of 58 Newton per tons and is braked to rest at 3.3 km per hour per second in 11 seconds. Calculate the acceleration, costing, retardation, and the schedule speed. If the station stops of 20 second duration, what would be the effect on the schedule speed of reducing the station stop to 15-second duration? Other condition remain same, allowing 10% of rotational media. So the given data is time of escalation T1 24, T2 69, and T3 11 second. So maximum speed V1 equal to 48 km and acceleration is V1 upon T1. So 48 upon 24, 2 km per hour second. Let the costing retardation be beta c. So ft equal to minus 277.8 we minus beta c plus 98.1 wg plus wr. So put all these value. This all value are given in the question, and the value of g is not given, so the g is 0. So beta c equal to 0.19 km per hour per second, and speed at the end of costing period v2 equal to v1 minus beta c into t2, that is 48 minus 0.19 into 16, that is 34.9 km per hour, and distance travel s1 equal to, we know this equation, and put all this value, we can get distance equal to 1 kilometer, and the schedule time ts equal to t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus duration of a stop, that is 24 plus 69 plus 11 plus 20, that is 124 second. And schedule speed, we know formula for schedule speed, ps equal to s into 3600 upon ts, that is schedule time. So 1 into 3600 upon 124, that is 29 km per hour. When the duration of a stop is 15 seconds, schedule time ts dash equal to 2.4 plus 169 plus 11 plus 15, so 119 second, and schedule speed equal to bs dash equal to 1 into 3600 upon 119, that is 30.25 km